Morning. Before I get on with my car a little bit and doing some other Land Rover jobs, I just thought I'd show you one of the little jobs that JP does for me. We get a lot of problems with leaking LT230s, and this was a prime example. This had a great big groove in it, and not only that, it had this style of flinger mud cover on it, and perhaps you can see at the bottom there, there's a big chunk missing out of it, so when it was rattling around on here, it ate this away. So rather than buying a new one, we've come up with this great idea. So what JP does is he puts this in his lathe here, faces this off to make sure it's nice and square, and then he made a little jig so it fits inside this ring here, keep it located, bolts it on, puts it in his lathe, turns this down just a little bit, and then he makes a sleeve to go over this that's a few thou bigger, smaller, that's right, it's through few thou smaller. Heats it up, shrinks it, you know, heats it up, shrinks onto here, and then just puts it through the grinder and finishes this off. So, you know, every little helps. You know, it probably costs about the same as buying one from the UK, but the problem is, again, we've got to ship and import it. So if we can get things done locally, and now if we have any things to be done like that, it's easier for me to take down 5 or 6 flanges at the same time if I've got any left, and then get him to do them all at once, because doing just little one-offs is a pain, you know, just to get set up to do one. But that's why he made that little tool, because otherwise he was having to clench it in his chuck here and line this up. Now it's just bang it in, turn it down, make a bushing, job done. Kind of easy really, isn't it? Yeah, things you have to do. So I'm going to fit that today.